and welcome to Homemade with Bella. Today I'm going to show you how I make my family's favorite buffalo chicken enchilada casserole. For this recipe, you are going to need 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese brought to a room temperature, 1 cup of ranch dressing, 1 cup of buffalo hot sauce, about 30 corn tortilla shells. You could use yellow or white corn tortillas for this recipe. You're also going to need 16 ounces of extra sharp grated cheddar cheese and a pan. Also, I have going in this pot, I have 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast boiling in just plain water to get those cooked. Let's get started. Turn on your stove to a medium-high heat to get your pan heated. To that, add the cream cheese. Don't forget the little bits. Let that melt just a little bit before you add the rest of the ingredients. I enjoy making this meal for my family because we are a very busy family with a lot of things happening. We do have a family of 7. This is a 30-minute meal. To this, add the ranch dressing. Again, don't forget all the little bits. And give that just a little stir around. The goal is just to get everything heated up and smooth texture without burning the cream cheese and the ranch dressing. Just keep stirring it around so it does not burn the bottom of the pan until it's nicely heated. To this, add the buffalo hot sauce. Stirring that together, getting it incorporated. It's almost creamy enough and heated through. It's okay if it comes to a small boil. Just make sure that you're always stirring it. The cheese and that ranch dressing, because ranch dressing does have sugar in it, will quickly burn. Okay. You're going to notice with this recipe, I do not use any salt or pepper to it. The cheese, the cream cheese, and the chicken itself, because I did salt the water, I should state that. I did salt the water when I was boiling it. That should be plenty of salt for this recipe. All right. Now, to this mixture, we're going to begin to add our cheese a little bit at a time so that it melts. You can use any type of cheese, your favorite cheeses, with this, but I use extra sharp cheddar cheese. I'm going to reserve some to put in between the layers of my casserole. All right, my cheese is incorporated, and I'm going to just turn my burner onto a low simmer to keep it heated while I take my chicken out and shred it. All right, my chicken has boiled and cooked thoroughly through, and I used a hand mixer with my beaters attached to it and just mix that together to shred it up to a very nice chewable bite. Now turn off the burner to the buffalo chicken sauce and add that directly into the bowl. Again, don't forget all the bits. Okay, and stir it around. Make sure you get all the chicken coated with the buffalo sauce. And there we go. Next, take a casserole dish and lightly grease your casserole dish. Begin to preheat your oven to 375. Layers of the corn tortilla, the buffalo chicken mix, and the cheddar cheese. You want to make sure that the chicken mixture is nicely coating the tortillas so that they do not get dried out during the cooking in the oven process. If you do not use all the corn tortillas making this recipe, that's perfectly okay. Just as long as you're making enough that will serve your family. There we go. With the rest of the cheese, let's just put that on top. Make sure it's nice and even. And there we go. Buffalo chicken enchilada casserole. Now this is going to go into the oven just until the cheese begins to bubble, because everything else actually is cooked. So right into the oven. That's probably going to take about 15 minutes. Our buffalo chicken enchilada casserole is out of the oven and time to serve. Just leave that there. With a little knife, let's just see what happens here. Cut you a small slice because you know the chef should always take the first bite. Here we go. Right onto our plate. And That there is some good eats. Thank you for joining me today on Homemade with Bella. Today we made buffalo chicken enchilada casserole. If you would like to continue to watch these videos, please make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have an idea that you'd like to see me try to make for you, please leave it in the comments. Until next time, bye-bye.